Here I have Suzuki Vitara, and let me show you how to use DAB FM link feature on the following car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of the following car, of the following Suzuki Infotainment system. Choose here the settings, so the gear icon. From the settings, let's use the left side of the screen and choose here the note icon to open the music settings. Then let's choose the second option, which is radio settings. Scroll down and here you can find DAB, so digital radio FM link. So this is a seamless handover feature. Digital radio provides better sound quality but has a shorter range than FM. When this is on, if you are listening to a DAB station and the signal becomes too weak, the system will automatically search for the exact same station on the FM band and switch to it. So it prevents your music from cutting to silence when you drive into an area with poor digital coverage. So in my case, I am leaving this enabled, but you can also disable this feature, as simple as that. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.